So today is December, kids. Santa's coming.
Yay.
Okay, 12/1/22. All right. So pay close attention to this. This is from yesterday. Or did I teach it yesterday or the day before? The day before. We practiced it yesterday. So if you have 5x plus 15 is greater than or equal to, let's say, 55. Okay? I need you to really, 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 really pay attention, Anthony. What number do I move first? 15. How? Subtract 15. It's the furthest away on the same side.
Leaves 5x is greater or equal to 40.
5 minus 5 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. 40, right? Am I done? No. What's the next number I got to move? The 5. How? Divided by 5. Divided by 5. Right? So x is greater than or equal to 8. So this is called a two-step inequality because it takes 2 steps to solve it. You'll be doing two-step inequalities or two-step equations forever.
What if
You'll be doing these type of equations and inequalities forever. Okay, so you got to make sure, Brian. I don't understand why your iPad is being maneuvered. All right, are we okay with two-step equations?
Yup. That's a 3.
It's now okay. So now, Juan, we don't count them. We just say multi-step. So we stop counting.
Okay.
So multi-step. Multi-step. That's an E. Multi-step. Multi-step. Inequalities. Okay. We stop counting. We basically stop counting. Because it might take 3. It might take 4 steps. In depth. You just gotta really just.
Oh yeah, I don't like this.
Okay, but you're actually capable. You all have the skills to do it. You all have 100% the skills to do it. Who would like to tell me what do you think we have to do first?
Parentheses. No. You multiply 2 times x plus 2 times 6.
Distribute. Good use of vocabulary. So we're going to distribute first.
2x plus 12.
Nice. 2x plus 12. So, yes. So if you had a hard time with distributive property, well, you got a better note now. Because it comes into play now. So the skills that we've been learning before, we're going to be using today. Same thing, like these things that you learn in 7th grade, you're going to need to know them in high school. All right, draw your bars. Now what do I move first?
Wow.
Well, what's up?
Oh, I get it now.
Cool.
Oh.
Is it really that much? Is it difficult?
No.
No. You all know distributive property.
X is
Yeah.
greater than or equal to 12. Bro.
You have the skills.
Do you got that?
We're going to move fast.
Wait, this is easier.
It is way easier.
It's the same.
But I need you to really focus. Okay? So that's why on your homework you've been having distributive property a lot because you need the distributive property in this multi-step. All right? Hold on. Yep.
You should ask Yuri for a random number.
Okay. I just kind of, I don't know if it's going to work. Well, whatever. Sometimes, on the fly. Well, because I don't want it to be a decimal. So sometimes I'm like, oh. And even though right now I kind of did the math, I think I did it wrong. So we'll see. We'll see what we get. No big deal. All right, so what are we going to do? Distribute. We're going to distribute the 4 to the inside.
Dude, I almost shot my pencil.
8x minus, oh, we got to do the math.
Keep change flip.
No,
Keep change.
no, not yet. We're going to do 4 times 16.
That's 64.
64?
Yep.
Okay. Then less than 80, okay? We don't want to do a keep change opposite or anything like that because we're moving things around.
Oh, so we don't do it? No.
Not keep change opposite here. No. You might have done it correctly, but it's not keep change opposite. What do? I draw my bars. Plus 64, right?
Oh, yeah.
Plus 64, which is not keep change opposite. Plus 64. 144 is less than.
Yep.
Yeah, 4 plus 0 is 4. 8 plus 6 is 14. Okay, now we're going to divide by 8. And this is where I'm like, does it come out even? 144 divided by 8 on the side. 18? 1 gives you 8. Remainder 6. Bring down the 4. 8 goes into 64. 8 times. So x is less than 18.
Let's go. Pretty easy
Down
now.
to my last
Pretty.
single thing.
Right smaller.
Hmm?
You have a squeeze it, so I would
Right
smaller and then one problem here, one problem here, one problem here, one problem here. You're writing a little too big. I got to write big because you guys got to see it.
Oh, that's why I write big.
All right. Are we okay with the multi-step? Let's do another one.
Yeah. It's actually really easy.
Mm-hmm. The only time you would do a keep change opposite, Aleda, is that you asked that? It would be on this side. Because that's when you're doing the math. Here, you're just canceling things out. You're just doing opposites here. Do we need something? Dylan, do you need something? Is that why you're talking to your neighbor? Oh, okay, cool. Just checking.
X is greater than
No.
7.
What number did you guys get?
X is greater than 7.
X is greater than 7.
7? All right, Juliana, is there something on your iPad that's distracting Elizabeth? It's terrible. Okay, so we got that, right? So the reason we don't change this is because, like, right here, here, and it's just so much easier to we're canceling, right? Over here, on this side, this is where we do math. So if you have a negative number, or if you're subtracting by a bigger number, this is where we do keep change opposite, like when we do math. On this side, are we really doing math? I mean, we're not doing math, right? We're just canceling things out. Ooh, I love it. Are you guys, you're not ready for that, are you?
You're gonna give us. Like this is, you're gonna give us one like that. Our type of problems are only about canceling.
Yeah. Well, okay, fine. Let's take it, before we do that, Ariel.
No. Why? Ariel.
Oh my god, like, you swear I wasn't going to teach it to you. I just wasn't going to teach it to you today, but.
You just said, oh, teach your studies that.
Hey, but I needed not something like that.
No.
So you're the one I made to do Alex. But I get you. That is true. That is true.
Oh my god.
You're like, oh, when are we going to do Alex? Every week. And every day.
Miss Oma, you should not every day. Every day to us as a present. Every 2 days.
It was an early Christmas present, Alex. All right, here we go. So this is what we call a multi-step.
What is this?
Multi-step?
I couldn't even find the.
Oh.
So 2
More
parentheses,
than 3x.
x plus 6 plus 3x minus 2 is greater than 40.
Fourth step.
This is going to be like a 20-stepper.
Actually, it's probably going to be greater than 40.
This is where Miss O'Malley's kept bothering you about your work, show your work, show your work, show your work. Here's one example where it's important for you to
multiple x's, so what do I do?
combine like terms.
Combine.
Oh.
Do we do the right problem first?
2x.
So, yeah. Nope. Well, you do the distributive first, right? So what do you get?
5x.
No, before that, 2x plus 12 plus 3x minus 2, right?
Hold on.
Before you start moving things to the other side, you have to combine like terms. Put your x's together, put your numbers together. This is why I taught you that 3 weeks ago.
That
Oh, wait, I
made
think I got it. I got it.
Okay, so what's 2x plus 3x?
Oh my
5x.
What's 12 minus 2? 10. So we do a plus 10.
Hold on.
Yeah.
X is greater than 6.
X is greater than 6. Yeah. That one was a little bit longer.
Oh yeah.
That one was the easiest one.
Oh, I don't like this. I don't like these. It's so long.
Alright.
Hold yours.
It takes so long.
It's just long.
But that was you. I literally got the answer.
Just, exactly. They're just long.
X is greater than or equals to 6. I asked for this. No, it's greater than. Everyone was like, oh, what if it's a problem? It's not both sides. Yes, it is.
It's not, no, we're not there yet. She asked for one step more than this.
I just asked for longer.
But I can't have you do on the both sides until you've mastered this.
How many steps?
Oh, like
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 steps?
That's that.
Alright. Let's see.
Two questions for you take up pretty much the entire page.
wait, have you ever tried doing exponents in this?
Yeah, but I won't teach you that because to break up an exponent is, oof.
A lot of work.
Yeah. Oh,
I'm running
yeah,
out of
not
space.
6. Well, 6.
Never mind that.
Yeah, 6. Plus 6.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, like, oh my god.
No, not never mind.
Like, oh my god. Like, oh my god.
Wait, so it's 6?
Yeah, it is 6.
Okay.
I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. 6 parentheses, x plus 4 parentheses, minus 3x plus 6 is greater than 30.
Minus 3x, which is minus 3x.
Do you have the skills to do this? Yes. Is it just long? Yes. It's just long. Is it hard?
No.
Yes. I don't need the green, I need the orange.
I think I got it wrong.
Where am I going to write these points? Where do I write points?
I don't know. I didn't get my. I
You
never
did it
got
wrong.
my homework log back. That's Isaac's. I never got my.
I got X is greater than.
Wait.
Wait, did I get it wrong?
I got X is greater than
I'm
0.
thinking,
So did I.
I did 24 and 6.
I got X is greater than 0.
I now got that too.
I guess we're correct.
What did you get?
X was right. X is greater than 0.
Oh my God! So
Dude, I think.
Wait, Mr.
What? What's up?
Is it x greater than 0?
Is it 0?
Yeah, we got 0.
Really?
How did you get 0?
I don't know.
0.
Okay, let's do it. Oh, great.
Did I get it wrong?
So 6x plus 24. We're good there? Minus 3x plus 6, right? Easy?
Oh, I see my mistake.
Okay.
Oh.
I
This
forgot to multiply 6 times.
and this gives you
You gotta subtract. F. 3X.
3x because it's a minus
Yeah. And
plus
24.
30.
30, yeah.
30.
See, my brain was saying don't put a 6, and I put a 6 because, if I would have picked any other number, you would have not gone there. So minus 30 minus 30. So 3x is greater than 0. Divide by 3, so you know that it has to be 0.
Let's go, I got it right. Yeah, right, man.
We good?
Yep.
Alright, cool. I will teach you x's on both sides on Monday.
Oh, God.
This is good. This is good enough. Just a reminder though.
I want a worksheet.
No.
Why?
Thank you for recognizing that. Stop. 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 Yes, you. I know what you're doing, and it's quite not okay. All right, let's get to work. Let's see. What do I move first?
The 6.
The 6. Very good. The
You have
6.
to times or multiply it. You have to multiply it by it.
We did one of these yesterday, and it was on your worksheet.
It's on your
We
homework
only
too.
did it once.
Well, here I am doing it.
No, this is the third time. This is the third time. It was on our homework too.
I think I think
Not like this on your homework.
I forgot.
You're actually kind of butts. Stop.
So it would be 2x plus 4 is less than 66. This is a lot easier than we just did. Minus 4 minus 4. 66 minus 4 is 62 less than 2x. Divide by 2, divide by 2.
X is less than 30.
The group chat.
All right, what do we get?
X is less than 31.
31.
She better.
So this is one of the, I like solving inequalities, equations. One of my favorite things to do in life. Some people do word searches. I solve equations.
Yeah. X is less than 30.
All right. 31.
You need to do the back or the front?
Front. We're okay, gentlemen? Anthony, let's just refocus your attention. It's pretty straightforward, pretty easy. Yeah, because the number line's there, right? You didn't do it on your notes. You owe me.
You didn't have to.
Yes, I know what I said. That's what I say. Like, I didn't have you do it here. Now I'm going to have you do it there. You can't complain. There's no reason to complain.
I'd rather do it on them.
Then do it. Do it on both.
For real, bro.
6 times 2x. I'm sorry, 2 times 6x. 12x minus what? 10 is less than 14. Okay, how do I move the 10? Plus 10. Because it's a minus 10, so you're going to do the opposite of adding 10.
I got 2.
Add 10. So we have 12x is less than 24, right? Because 14 plus 10 is 24. Then we're going to divide by 12. We're going to divide by 12. So quickly graph it because you already have the number line. Is it going to be an open or closed circle?
Open.
Open. And we're going to shade to the
Left.
okay. Number 2 across. Which number do you move first?
7.
7. How?
Multiplying.
So we show that we're going to multiply by 7 by using parentheses. We show that we're going to multiply by 7 by using parentheses. So we have 3x minus 8 greater than 7. And from there, it should be super easy process.